Try these examples. -6 plus 9, -5 plus 14, -8 plus 12, and -9 plus 17. So we have a positive and a negative number. Notice that the positive number is larger. So when we add these two values, we should get a positive value at the end. So -6 plus 9 is +3. Using the number line, if we start with -6, and if we go 9 spaces to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, this will be -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. -8 plus 12, that's going to equal +4. -5 plus 14, that's 9. And -9 plus 17 will give you 8. So here's the next round of questions. -5 plus 2, -12 plus 5, -16 plus 7, and -14 minus 5. So try those. So starting with -5, we're going to add 2 units. So 1, 2, we're going to go 2 units to the right. This will be -4 and -3. So -5 plus 2 is -3. So notice that the first number, the negative one, is larger. So therefore, the result will be negative. -12 plus 5 is equal to -7. -16 plus 7, you should get -9. And -14 minus 5 is -19. Try these. So let's say if we have two negative signs, -3 and -5. What do you think the answer will be to that particular problem? So -3 minus 5 is -8. So if we make the number line, starting at -3, we're going to subtract it by 5. So we need to go 5 units to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will be -4, -5, -6, -7, and -8. So when you have two negative numbers written in the way that we have it in this video, what you could do is just add 3 plus 5, which is 8, and then make it negative. So -8 minus 4 is the same as 8 plus 4 with a negative on the outside. So what you could do is say 8 plus 4 is 12 and add the negative sign. To confirm it, we're going to start at -8, which is over here, and we're going to subtract it by 4, or go 4 units to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is -9, -10, -11, -12. So -7 minus 6 is the same as 7 plus 6 with a negative on the outside. 7 plus 6 is 13, so this is -13. And this is going to be negative, and then 9 plus 8. So 9 plus 8 is 17, so this is going to be -17. Try these. -8 minus -3, -9 minus -15, -12 minus -4, and -14 minus -16. So whenever you see two negative signs like right next to each other, you can make that into a positive number. So this is the same as -8 plus 3. So using the number line, if we start at -8, we're going to add 3 units to the right. 1, 2, 3. So this is going to be -7, -6, and -5. So -9 minus -15 is the same as -9 plus 15. And -9 plus 15 is the same as 15 minus 9. So you're going to get +6. So you can reverse it if you want. So negative 12 minus negative 4 is the same, minus negative 4 is the same as plus 4. And negative 12 plus 4 is the same as 4 minus 12. And that should give you negative 8. Here we have negative 14 minus negative 16, so that's negative 14 plus 16. And negative 14 plus 16 is the same as 16 minus 14, which equals 2. So keep that in mind. You can always reverse the order. If you have negative 3 plus 8, you can switch it. The 8 is positive, the 3 is negative. So this is the same as positive 8 minus 3, which is just 8 minus 3. And that's equal to 5. So if you have like negative 10 plus 7, you can reverse it and say, you know what, that's 7 minus 10. And the negative number is larger, so when I subtract them, I get 3, but since the sign of the larger one is negative, this is going to be negative. Here, the sign of the larger is positive, so this is positive.